Urban Forester Job Description. An urban forester is a professional responsible for managing and maintaining the urban forest, which includes all of the trees and green spaces within a city or town. The job duties of an urban forester typically include planning and implementing tree planting and maintenance programs to ensure a healthy and sustainable urban forest, conducting site assessments and developing management plans for public and private trees, including identification of species, condition, age, and potential risks. Supervising and coordinating the work of tree maintenance crews and contractors to ensure quality work and safety. Educating and engaging the public in tree care and tree planting initiatives. Managing and maintaining urban forest inventories and databases. Collaborating with other city departments, nonprofit organizations, and community groups to advance urban forestry goals and initiatives. Conducting research and staying up to date with industry developments, best practices, and emerging technologies. Applying for and administering grants and other funding opportunities to support urban forestry projects. To become an urban forester, one typically needs a degree in forestry, arboriculture, horticulture, or a related field. In addition, certification from professional organizations such as the International Society of Arboriculture, ISA, is often preferred. Excellent communication, project management, and leadership skills are also important for success in this field.